Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for the first BHMS students. This is the topic number 26 and it deals with delusions and its types. The delusion can be defined as delusion refers to a strongly held belief despite the evidence that the belief is false. What are the features of delusion we will get? A person who is experiencing delusions often holds strong beliefs that may or may not be based on the facts. A fixed false belief cannot be corrected by logic and are not consistent with cultural as well as educational background of the subject. The types of delusions. The first type we are dealing is delusion of influence. Here the individual believes that their thoughts and actions are controlled by some outside force. Second is delusion of persecution. Here the patient believes that others are trying to harm him, maybe going to poison him, or somebody is following him. Third is delusion of reference. Here the patient believes that some events in the environment have a very special meaning for him only, that he can only decipher that. Fourth is the delusion of grandiose. Here the patient believes that he is having some very special or supernatural power, knowledge or very special relationship with very important persons in politics or even God. Fifth is delusion, which is somatic delusion. Here the patient believes that his body has been manipulated by some outside force. The sixth type of delusion is delusion of love, and here the patient believes that he has a very special romantic relationship with very publicly famous person. He may be politician or he may be a very big film star or a person who is very wealthy and a person of power who wields lot of power. Seventh is nihilistic delusion. Here the patient believes that the self or the world or even the time has been lost or destroyed. Nihilistic delusion include beliefs that there is no future for him, the patient is dead, or the parts of the body do not exist, or they are made of glass or made of wood. Organs are malfunctioning or rotting, his gut is rotting. Thank you for patient listening.